I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Now here search and select Asana. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Asana API console. Now click on Create New Token. Give them a meaningful name as you want. Check the list. Then create token. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Action. Select Project. Then select Section. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Asana. Here is the data that came into Asana through the integration. Thanks for watching.